Hello, I have missed you all. It's been quite some time. I was battling a little cold, even had to go get COVID tested. Thank God it is not, but I am on my up and ups now, so I'm so happy to be back with you all. So I am back with the one and only IpsyGlamBagX, and I'm excited. I'm excited because I do like Halsey. I'm not like an Uber fan, but I think she's a dope soul, and the energy she puts out to the world is all about like self-love and taking care of yourself. So I'm really big on the mental health awareness that she brings to this world. Congrats to her and her new baby. And with that being said, let's jump into the box, guys. So again, I believe this is $54 or $59 a month. Please forgive me, it might even be just 50. So many different boxes that come in so many different times, and it's hard to keep track. But I know that I was able to pick, I think, 2 things or 3 things. I don't remember what they were, so let's dive in and figure this out, folks. It's my birthday week, guys. My birthday is on Wednesday, August 25th. I am excited. All right, guys, so this is what she looks like inside. Let's take a deeper dive. The first thing I'm going to do is pull out this. This says, Choose Your Own Adventure, GlamBagX, curated by Halsey. So let's just keep this open while we go through her. And I'm just going to pick out things one at a time. So the first thing that I picked out is the Herbivore Emerald. And this says, that's the lapis. That's not the one I got. Well, then let's just open it up and see what it, oh, here it is. Okay. This one says Emerald is a deep moisturizing oil. It is $48. And it says hemp seed, adaptogens, for deep moisturizing glow. Let's just open her up. Open her up. Take a look at her. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so it has hemp seed, like I said, deep moisturizing glow. So it doesn't really say much more on it. It is here. I have seen this before. I've heard a lot of people talk good about it. I've never tried it, so I am interested to get my hands on it and see how this is. It is an oil, so a lot of people think that if you put an oil on your face, it's going to break you out. You know, that's not the case at all. As a matter of fact, for people who have oily skin, sometimes oils are great for them because what it does is your skin's not having to overproduce the oil. It stays moisturized and it doesn't feel the need to make so much oil for your skin. So the next thing that I got, I don't see the price on here. One second, folks. Yeah, whatever. We're just gonna go with it. All right, so the next thing I got here is the Fenty by Rihanna Full Frontal in Kazam Black. Now, I have one of these sitting in my drawer already, so this might go up on my Ricari. We are still doing, if you haven't gone back and watch my Jeffree Star unboxings, I do have a giveaway there. I'm starting to think that I don't know if I should make it one giveaway now or a really big giveaway if I hit 500 or when I hit 500. So I'm going back and forth with it, but I have a feeling that I'm going to do a small giveaway then. But if you're not a Jeffree Star person, you could let me know if you're the winner, and I have tons of other things that I can put in there. Or we could, like I said, we can figure it out and wait till I hit 500 because I'm 150 off, and I believe. All right, guys. So the next thing I see in here is Halsey's brand, and it is the About Face Light Look Highlighting Fluid. It does have a cute little rip open like this. If I could only rip it open, that would be great. All right, so this is what it looks like. It does come with this on top of it. This is cute. Okay, I was going to say maybe if it says this is cute, it looks like it says Light Lock Highlighting Fluid. Shake it or stirred. Okay, it doesn't really have a color, as you'll see, unless that is the color, or maybe the pink's the color. We're about to find out. Oh no, not at all. So this is actually gold. I don't even think I would consider this like a champagne gold. Let me put a little on my hand. This is a liquid highlighter, and now I am more into liquid highlighters, blushes, all of those things more than ever, but that is really beautiful. So I could see myself definitely using that. And you don't just have to use that there. You could use it here. You could use it when you're going out for the net on your shoulders, to highlight your décolleté. Yeah, so my speech is the same, guys. The next thing I see in here is a Kimchi Blush, and this was one of the things that I picked, I believe. I don't really remember the things I picked at this point. I know that I wasn't necessarily super happy with all of the things that I was able to pick from, but I was like, hey, let's go for it. I hear great things about Kimchi products, and I'm a drag queen lover. So this is what she looks like. She's dual colored. So it says, this is called the Thyler, like Taylor, but I think it's like Thai and okay, but yeah, so it's got more of like a, I want to say a salmony color over here, and then this is more of a like pink, a true like Barbie pink almost, and it does have a little bit of sheen in it, and I am a blush person, and this package is absolutely adorable, so I'm very excited to have this as well and to have something from her brand. So the next thing, I did end up picking this, and I'm one of those people that, even though luckily I have my nails right now only because of my birthday, only because of that, they always fall off, and then I have to do videos, or I have meetings, or I have this or that, and I just thought these were really cute. You can't really tell here, but these are actually a lavender tip to them. They're not like a regular like white tip, they're lavender, but I can tell it's very hard to say. So these are really cute. They're reusable press-on nails by GlamBagX. Now I use their lashes, not that I did today, but I use their lashes as well, so I really do like their products. So I'm happy to have that. The next thing I see is a Barigio Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protectant and Heat Protectant Cream. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is that, and I am big on heat protectant stuff because I do have curly hair. I don't know if in any of my videos, maybe one or two, have actually had curly hair. For the most of the time, it's either put in waves or I'm actually straightening it like it is today. So I'm a big believer in heat protection, and I do have frizzy hair because it's curly, so this is again perfect for me. The next thing I have in here is the Glow 2 Tea, and this is a Yopon Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizers. Excuse me if I butchered that. It is by Volition, and I heard a really cool thing about this brand. So apparently, if you are someone who is big into skincare and you have an idea of what would make a really good skincare product, but you don't have the money behind that, they actually take submissions from regular people like you and I, and if they like them, that they bring you in and they help you make the product and they market it under their brand, which I think is really cool. What other brands you see doing anything like that and listening to their consumers and their customer? That's the same thing. You know what I mean. But yeah, so this is really awesome. I'm excited to have this. I did just get something else from BoxyCharm, and the reason I didn't open that on camera was because I'm missing a product. My box was ripped open. It was crushed in between getting it to me, and things were broken inside of it, and I honestly just pulled everything apart and put it away because I was annoyed and I wasn't going to fight with them about that, because Lord knows what it is to even try to get them on email, you know? So the next big thing that I got, I think this is the biggest thing that I got, is the Ather Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. And I am a crystal girl, so, oh, this gets me excited. Oh, okay, so it's a little message with a card in the back of it that they give you, and it says, look how beautiful this art is, guys. Okay, so it says, heed the message of the moon and also harness its powers. The moon lives in the darkest of places, yet lights a path to bring clarity of mind, heart, and spirit. I do like that. That's really cute. I could put that up on my mirror right here. So this is the outside of the box. Very cool. I love the way it's asymmetrical. This is very cute. I really do like this already. And then you open her up, and this is... oh my goodness, I could have used this palette today while trying to make this purple look. And I've got 72 purple palettes, so don't get me wrong. It's just, it wasn't my day with purple. But how beautiful is this palette, guys? Absolutely stunning. And I cannot wait to use it. Now, obviously, you might want to have, you don't need to by any means, but you might want to use like a nude palette as like a transition, or you know, just fill in your eye one color, or you could use like, you know, a darker shade, and there's so many things you could do with this, but a lot of them are either shimmers or satins. I don't know if I see any mattes. This blue might be a matte. That's silver. I would still have to say it's a satin. If you guys look close up, you see it still has a sheen to it. But again, this is beautiful. Super happy to have this and love that it's based on crystals. Just going to read you this little thing inside right here. And that says, "Hello, beautiful. We have removed the mirror and the magnets inside to be more sustainable." Love that. "We strive to make the best sustainable choices in all of our products. And let's be real, you'll probably be using this palette in front of a mirror anyway." Correct. Most of us do, right? By removing this mirror and the magnets, it becomes fully recyclable, and we're saving the palette from going directly into a landfill. It's a win-win for both you and Mother Earth. Thanks for your love and understanding. Hashtag good vibes beauty. I love that. I got like teary-eyed. I love companies that, you know, think where their products are going. And you know, I'm going to be very transparent. I'm probably about to get my period because I got way too emotional about that. But I love things that are like that. Listen, if we can't talk about periods on this channel, you ain't going to make it on this channel. But yeah, I hope that you can stay because we talk about some deep rooted things here. So I'm just going to go over. So that's my full box. Believe it or not, that feels like it went by, oh, so quick. I almost got this all over my boobs and that would have sucked. So I'm just going to put this right back over just in case you wanted to see them with the shade names on them. If you can, by it hanging in front. Okay, I'm not doing a good job at this. I just don't want to swatch this right now only because, again, with palettes, like once you swatch them, that is their life. You're putting bacteria on them. I don't know when I'm going to jump into this, although I do definitely want to keep it. Okay, guys. So other things that you could have gotten here are the lapis, which I got the emerald one by Herbivore Botanicals, and that is actually for dry skin. I'm sorry, I believe, oily skin, I believe. And then, okay, so the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara Lift and Curl is $24. The Arthur Beauty, it was $58. Those are the ones that I got. The Emerald, I think I said, was $48. I did really want the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tightening Facial. I've been really wanting that and looking at it, but I did not get that, but hey, that's okay. The About Face Highlighter that I got looks like it came in 3 different colors, and that was $32. It did come with the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and I actually just sold mine because it just really doesn't work with my pores. It works for everybody, but I just really would break out. I think it was just smothering my skin, so it didn't work for me, so I'm glad I didn't get that. The Glow Awakening Moisturizer from oh my gosh, Volition, holy shnikes, Beauty was $39, and she said she uses this under makeup in the AM, and as for their emerald oils, I believe she uses that at nighttime. Then you could have the DNA Dr. Brandt, so I'm losing my voice again, triple peptide eye cream. There is I actually used this earlier today before I put my makeup on. And this is the barrier, not the cleanser. This is the cleanser, but I use the, it's like a hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and exfoliating. It's a serum of some type. Then you have the About Face Light Lock Powder in 3 different shades, which I did not get, so that was a powder one. I'm actually kind of happy that I got the other. Then you could have gotten the Universal C eye protector, so a vitamin C eye. I got the Brigia, which is $24. The Bread Beauty Supplies, it's a macadamia oil, 100% concentrate for your hair and body. I did not get that. I didn't get the Ipsy bag. The Kimchi was $15. That's nice, $15 for that blush. That's a really great price. There's Tarte Clay Pots, Water Shadows. There was the Laneige Lip Sleep Mask, which I don't love. My Glamnetic nails were $21.99. $22, okay? And I think I don't need to keep going. There's a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, which I would have liked, but hey, you know, I'm happy with what I got. Beauty blenders I have more than enough of. Yeah, so like I said, I'm really happy with this box. What did you get in your box? Did you get the box this month? Are you happy with the way that GlamBagX is going? Because I will say it's better than the Plus. It's better than, what was the other one? The price, the one that was like every month the same price as this. I forget what it was called, but it's better than that one. So I'm really happy with this one. And honestly, the way Boxy's been going, this has been beating out my Boxy Luxe recently. How do you guys feel about that as well? Let me know. Let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know what you're thinking about this box. What did you get? Like I said, and if there's anything that you guys want me to talk about in the upcoming the mental health and self-love sessions that we're going to be doing more of, please let me know. I've gotten a few ideas that I have written down, but I always like to know what you guys want to talk about so I can dive into that. As a life coach, it's very easy for me to just be like, oh, let's talk about this, let's talk about this, but what are you guys struggling with, right now? So I would love to hear about that so that maybe I can come to some type of resolve of getting something ready so that I can at least help you in that area or try to. All right, guys, I love you so much. I'm going to have a great rest of my birthday week with my son. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the absence because I haven't been feeling well, as I'm sure you can hear in my voice. And I will see you all on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We do still have that giveaway going on, so watch some videos back and check that out. But I love you all again, and I will see you on the next one.